Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup easy, only way. Start by prepping all ingredients and measuring stock, herbs, and noodles so the cooking process is calm and smooth. Chop vegetables uniformly, trim chicken, and have seasonings ready to adjust. This mise-en-place step saves time and keeps the flavors consistent, helping you finish the soup quickly while it tastes homemade and welcoming. Making a flavorful broth is simple and forgiving, and you can choose speed or depth based on your time. If you have hours, simmer roasted bones with onion and carrot for a rich result. If you are short on time, boost store stock with garlic, bay leaf, and a splash of white wine or soy for umami. Strain and taste, then return to pot to assemble the soup. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The cozy new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while your soup simmers and makes kitchen wait time more pleasant. I loved how portable it felt during prep, and it pairs well with a bowl of soup and a comfy chair. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Timing is everything for silky broth and perfectly tender noodles, so cook in stages for reliable results. Boil noodles in salted water until just al dente and drain, then add later to the soup so they do not soak up all the broth. Shred or cube warmed chicken and stir in at the end, then season and garnish with parsley for a lively finish everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.